We are going to discuss about the femur and humerus. Femur is the long bone. It is the lower limb major bone. Humerus is also the long bone. It is upper limb major bone. We are going to discuss about these two things in briefly. We have to know a lot of prominent area. The clearly these prominent area identify is the most important. Now I am drawing these two bone head. This is the humerus head. This is the femur head. Why we are talking this head? Firstly, we have to get proper idea this prominent area, the humerus prominent area, and femur head prominent area. Lot of complicate remind this area because of the mixed in these things and humorous things. Now, first of all, consider the humerus head. The humerus head. There are two prominent area below the head. This is the humerus head. It connects the scapula, glenoid head, humeral head connect the glenoid head. Then go laterally, outward, downward the head. There are some form of prominent area. Consider the femur head. It is also having some form of prominent area below the head. Why this prominent area? There are two bones having a lot of muscle insert this prominent area. Consider the humerus. There are major prominent area. We call this prominent area tubercle. This is the great tubercle. This is the lesser tubercle. Consider the femur bone. There are most process area. The prominent area. The greater trochanter and lesser trochanter. Why we are talk this comparing these two, we have to proper idea and proper image and these two head. Why I also complicate sometime. This is the trochanter, this is the tubercle, sometimes changes. This is also the tubercle, this is also the trochanter, this is also the trochanter. Oh, change this name. Clearly get idea. This is the greater tubercle. This is the lesser tubercle. Now we got this idea: greater tubercle, lesser tubercle in the humerus. Femur head. There's the trochanter, greater trochanter. This is the lesser trochanter. Right. Now get proper idea. Trochanter also the mountain-like height area. Tubercle is a black-like some form of height area. There are two trochanteric area of the femur. There are two tubercle of the humerus head. Now, in between two tubercle area, there are some form of fossa-like, groove-like area. It's called sulcus. It's go downwardly. Sulcus go downwardly. The name, the groove. Consider this area. The brachial bicep muscle go through the tendon, this groove and intertrochanteric sulcus, and it's insert to the scapula, glenoid cavity superior. We call this area intertubercle sulcus. Intertubercle sulcus. Consider this area, femur, trochanteric area. In between two, there are some form of ridge-like area. Ridge-like area. Trochanteric crest. We call it trochanteric crest. Trochanteric crest. These two trochanteric area, lesser and greater, there are some form of connection. Trochanteric crest. Anteriorly, this trochanteric crest go medially, superiorly and medially. The downward area are there. It is called trochanteric fossa. trochanteric fossa. Now come to the humerus head. This line go downwardly, call it intertubercle groove. Intertubercle groove. Consider the humerus head. We are going to compare both two. We can get a clear idea, and trochanteric and tubercle get some form of clear idea. Then go medial side, go downward some form of area. There is some form of area. Gluteal tubercle. It's called femur gluteal tubercle. It's go downwardly. There are some form of another name. It's called linea aspera. Gluteal tubercle go downward, medial side of the bone. Linea aspera, some form of margin. We can identify the clearly see this bone. Now we are going to talk about some form of fracture occurring area. This is the humerus head. Below the trochanteric area, there is some form of shaft, thick area. It's called surgical neck. Some person lateral downward and hand push the surface can be damaged to the surgical neck. Consider the femur. Femur also they have some form of surgical area. This is the head, below the head can be damaged, alter version. Fell down the sideward can be damaged to this area. This is the some form of anatomical area we are going to discuss. Another some form of area, this is the femur having some form of tubercle. The gluteal region connects some form of gluteal tubercle, and this humerus also having some form of the superior, middle, and inferior some form of the tubercle area. That connects the scapula muscle, suprascapular muscles connect these the posterior side some form of gluteal area. Iliac psoas muscle connect the lesser trochanter near area.